Hey everyone, I'm Hadia Samrin. I'm assistant professor from the Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph Degree and PG College. So, in the video lecture series, today we will be dealing with the topic SQL or SQL and its commands, or we can also say its database languages. For the course titled Relational Database Management Systems, that is abbreviated as RDBMS. So, let's get started. So what is SQL? What is SQL? It is a structured query language. We have seen till now about database management system, and we have learned about it that we are already aware that database management system is a software that tries to create, store, manipulate, retrieve the data, right? But for that software, that particular software, we need a language, right? So there comes the SQL into the picture. That is, SQL is a computer language for storing, manipulating, retrieving data stored in which type of database? Relational database. Right. So it is the standard language for relational database, and some of which database management systems like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, etc., use SQL as standard database language. So this was the brief introduction about SQL, structured query language. So we have some commands that we use in SQL language. We also call it as database languages. These are of four types majorly. So first one is DDL. DDL is abbreviated for data definition language. Then comes DML, that is data manipulation language. DCL, data control language, and DQL, that is data query language. Now let's see about each of these in brief. So data definition language, as the name suggests, it defines defines the data. So how does it define it? So in data definition language, we have some commands like create, alter, drop, etc. So create, what does create command do? It creates the structure of the table. It creates a view or structure of the table in the database. So definition language deals with the outer structure of the database, right? So by using create command, we are creating the view or the outer structure of the table, and by using alter command we are modifying the uh, structure of the table, existing table. And by using drop means deleting the complete entire view of the table from the database. So this is about data definition language commands in short. Then comes data manipulation language. Since we have already defined the structure, we just need to add, delete, update the records in that. Structure is made already. We just need to manipulate it. We just need to change it. So then comes these commands into the picture. Few of the data manipulation language commands are insert, update, delete, etc. So insert. We can insert a record, uh, mm, we can even insert a particular value in this database. Majorly, we insert a record. Record means a row, and we can even update the record. That means we can modify the record using update command, and we can even delete a record by using which command? Delete command. So that this is a bit about this data manipulation language. Next comes data control language. Control, as the name suggests, we will try to take control over who, as a user, has been granted the access or privilege or not been granted the privilege. So let's see. First command is grant. Grant means we are giving the privilege to the user so that the user can access the database. Revoke means when the privileges or access were granted to the user already, we try to take it back. So we will take back the privileges from the user using revoke command. There are so many more. We are only learning it in brief. Then comes data query languages. So one of querying is we will give some query, something like, for example, there is a command called select. So we will give a condition like select. We can select entire table and we can even select a condition. We can even give a condition and select um, some particular rows, some particular column, some particular um, durations, etc., etc., by using this select command. So we can retrieve certain records from one or more tables using select command. There are many more query DQL commands, one of which is select command. So, for example, we have a table, few records. If we want to select some students who are adult, that is more than 18 years of age. So suppose 18, 18, two students. So we will write select star. This use we will use this select command and we can retrieve these two rows. Or we can even use select star from the table name. That is, we can even retrieve the entire table. And so let's suppose we want to see which student is taking CS course. So we can give that condition select using select command. Then we can get this particular row. So that is all about data query language. So all in all, we have four database languages, that is DDL, DML, DCL, and DQL. And SQL is a computer language so that we can store, manipulate, and retrieve our data stored in which type of database? Relational database. That is it for me. Now, hope it helped. Thank you for joining.